So here's CSV2. So we're going to import CSV, and now we have iFile, okay? iFile for input file, okay? Whenever we're reading something that's not text, we always read it as binary, right? So reader, CSV.reader, and now we're going to make sure we read iFile. Now here's where it gets cool. So row number equals 0. For every row in reader, if row number equals 0, then we're going to call that the header row. If it's not, then we're going to check the column number. If the column number equals 0, we'll call that the column row. Now for everything else, print it out. Does that kind of make sense? So now what you're going to do is you're going to say print with 8 spaces, print this string, which is the header sorted by the column and that data. And then we column plus equal 1, meaning add to it. And then we row num plus equal 1, meaning add to it. Then we finally close the file. Okay, so do you see how we took that Nessus data and just sorted it really, really nicely? Everything is sorted by the Nessus plugin ID, by the risk, the host, the port, the data. It's all sorted really nicely. So all that's going on in the following ones is to just do more of it. We're just doing more of it. In this case, we're printing out all of the ones where we did the same header row trick, and then we said check out row 3, make sure to convert it to lowercase, and give me all the ones where the data is a high. And then we print out each string. So you're only printing out ones where there's a high vulnerability. So it's a way for us to have host and port combinations of which IP addresses have high vulnerabilities on them. Now, I use this as a pen tester, and I use this as a vulnerability assessor, right? So when you're looking at the network, I want to take the Nessus results and only look for IPs that have high vulnerabilities on them, because those are going to be the vulnerabilities that I most likely can exploit.